Assalamu alaikum. Today, our topic will be the effect of intensity of light on photoelectric current. First of all, we should be knowing what is intensity. Intensity, we can understand like an analogy, the density of electrons in a particular area, the number of photons incident on a particular surface. It will give us intensity like more brightness of visible light. Like for example, the intensity of light in a room in daylight is less as compared to the outside of the room. So we can say the intensity outside is greater as compared to the intensity inside the room. So it will give us the number of photons. More number of photons, more will be the intensity. Less number of photons, less will be the intensity. So here we have to understand the effect of this intensity on the photoelectric current. We know if the frequency of photon is less than the threshold frequency, not, no photoelectric effect will take place. It must be, and it must be greater than threshold frequency so that photoelectric effect will take place. Here, the energy of the photon E is equal to h nu by given by the Planck and added by the Einstein is equal to h nu. Here, the energy of the photon is given by is directly proportional to the frequency of the photon or light. So there is no involvement of the intensity in energy of the photon. So if we are taking into consideration the emission of the electron from the photo sensitive material, there is no involvement of the intensity. But the number of electrons being emitted from the surface of metal is proportional to the number of photons incident on it. So the number of electrons being emitted is directly proportional to the number of photons being bombarded on the material. So there is direct proportionality between these two things. These two parameters, that number of electrons being emitted from the surface of material is directly proportional to the number of photons or intensity of the light radiation. So here, number of electrons being emitted, that is photoelectric current, is directly proportional to the intensity of the light radiations. If we see this graphically, if we put this horizontal line as intensity and put this vertical line as photoelectric current, so there will be a linear graph. With increase in intensity, there is increase in photoelectric current at a given frequency, where the frequency must be greater than lambda naught, nu naught, it means threshold frequency or cutoff frequency. So this is the first factor affecting the photoelectric current. We will see in the next lecture the effect of frequency on the photoelectric current. Thank you.